Hey, welcome back to the new video of Unqork. So, as we know that we are currently going through the playlist. So, if you haven't accessed this playlist, you can just go to this channel, which is Beast That Codes, and here you can see the playlist, right? Unqork Zero to Expert. So, as of now, we have completed a lot of things. So, we are doing the 34th video today, which is talking about the data workflow operator, which is convert field operator. So let's start with that. What is convert field operator? So in the previous video we have seen about call to array, and this is the next operator in line with it. So again it deals with tables. So whatever these operators which you see here in this category all deals with uh, table. So that means like you need to pass array of object to make this operator work, right? So here I have created a table. So let me just give you a quick look of that, like what the table contains. So this is what the table is. Like we have a city and a pin code column. And now let's suppose if you see here like the pin code one, this is in number, right? If you see this is highlighted a little purple in color and it's in number data type. So if you have this kind of a data where you want to convert a specific field, right? I just want to convert the data type of this field. Then in that case, as the name suggests, convert field, we use this operator. So let's suppose it is number. I want to make it a string. Then I can here write cast to as string, and here I can just give the name of this particular field, right, which I want to convert. So now let me quickly save it. Let me refresh. Let me okay. Let me just update this name. So now if you see in the console, we can see all those pin codes, right, which were earlier in string format, sorry, number format, are converted to string data type. So likewise, if there are multiple fields in an object, so those fields you can put it in a comma separated, right? Here you can put comma separated fields of a particular object which you want to cast, and all those fields would be converted to a specific type which you select here. And also one more trick here is like if you see here this keys, it is plural, right? It is not singular. So in that case, you can put here comma separated things. So this is one of the thing we can do not only with convert field but in other operators also. If you see here a keys one where it has plural, then it means this particular box will accept comma separated or multiple values. And yeah, the same we can do here. So likewise, if there is anything which is already in string and if you want to convert into a number, that also you can do, and similarly to integer format also. So that's all about convert field operator. I know it was a pretty simple operator, but yeah, I think this would come handy whenever required. So good to have this. Uh, so good to have the knowledge of this particular convert field. So whenever the need is there to have such casting, you can use this particular operator. Okay, so if you have any questions around this, you can just put a comment onto this video, and I will surely answer those. And please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.